The first time I got to know how to make this okra soup with no palm oil was when I was in class 6. My mother used the leftover soup to prepare this type of soup. A very warm welcome to the channel. Today we are making okra soup with no palm oil. I hope you do enjoy and give this a try. My name is Iyamikash. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. In the cooking pot, I placed my washed meat, some fresh thyme, chopped onions, and I'm going to add in some seasoning powder. This is a homemade seasoning powder, but feel free to use any seasoning powder of your choice. Give it a stir, cover it, and transfer it to the fire. On the other side, place all your washed vegetables, add some water, and transfer it to the fire. The vegetables to use depends on what you have and what you want. After 5 minutes, I'll add some water. Then I'll give it a good stir. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. On the other side, I've washed the okras very well. In the beginning of the video, you saw me adding some salt to water, and then I soaked the okras in for about 20 minutes. Now I divided the okras into 2 portions. I will mince 1 portion of the okras and then chop the other portion of the okras into big chunks. Do you know where okra soup originated from? If you know, please let me know in the comment section. So after cutting the other portion of the okras into big chunks, I put them in a blender. I'm going to blend it without water. But if the blade of your blender is not too strong, then please add a little bit of water to it and blend. Now the vegetables are well cooked. I'll off the fire and allow it to cool down. So now I'll go in with some fresh tilapia. Then some smoked mackerel fish. Cover for about 5 minutes. So during that 5 minutes, I blended the ingredients, the vegetables. Sieve it into the fishes. Add extra water if needed. And strain it very nicely. Basically, we are making some light soup. And trust me, this is the best okra soup you can ever make. I'm going to add in a bit of seasoning powder. At this stage, I nearly stopped making the okra soup. A little salt to taste, and then I'll cover it. Now back to the okras, I add some onions and then start blending it. As I told you, no water is added to it. In a cooking pan, I add the blended okras, the chopped okras, some chopped onions, water, and then check on the soup. I'll take all the fresh fishes out. Then I'll cover it and allow it to continue simmering. So back to the okras, I give it a very good stir. The amount of water you add depends on whether you want your soup to be light or thick. I start cooking the okra. Back to the soup, I add some pepper and some dried smoked fish. I added pepper because I forgot to add pepper when I was cooking the other vegetables. So I cooked the okra for about 12 minutes. So the soup is well cooked now. I will take some and set it aside. I gently pour in the okra and see how it looks amazing. The taste's fabulous. You can actually use your old leftover soup. And also make sure your soup is well seasoned and well salted. At this stage, I'm going to add back the fresh tilapia. A very big thank you and a very big welcome to this channel once again. My name is Yummy Cash. Now this soup went well with some fufu. And the okra soup is ready after 5 minutes of simmering. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. Cheers!